Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Mina, and for today's tutorial I'll be doing a warm toned daytime smoky eye look that's perfect for any occasion. Just if you want to go run your errands or you need to go to work, it's a beautiful quick look that's perfect for anybody. If you're not already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you want to see how to get this look, then please keep watching.
Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So we already have one eye done. Now let's finish up the other one. First I'm going to take some loose setting powder and I'm going to put it right here under my eye. What this is going to do is it's going to catch any fallout from the eyeshadows. We're not dealing with super dark colors, but we don't want anything to fall on our foundation that we have already applied. So I'm going to go in with this is from Crown Brushes. This is their Fuego eyeshadow palette. And the first shade I'm going to take is this one right here. There's no shadow names on them, so I'm just going to have to point them out. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right here in the crease. This will be our transition shade. That same palette I'm going to dip right here into this lighter shade. I'm going to highlight the brow bone and then bring down that light color to blend with the color we just laid down.
Sounds dry.
Just like that. Mixing the two colors together, this is going to help create a very seamless transition between them two. Going back and forth. Smoky eyes have lots of blending because you don't want to have any harsh lines. You want everything to be very smooth and smoked out. So for the next shade, we are going to go in, dipping into the same palette. We're going to take this shade right here. It's not the darkest shade in the palette. It's more of the medium tone shade. And again, that one's going to be also going in the crease, since the first color we laid down is, like I said, the transition color. So now we're just going to intensify right here and then blending up into what was already there. And then I'm also going to be blending that downwards. It's not going to be the full lid color, but it's going to help everything down here blend good too. Like I said, going back and forth. Everything needs to look smooth. Alright, so from the same palette, we're going to go in with this darker little chocolate shade. Just taking this on a fluffy crease blending. Getting that, tapping it off. And I'm going to focus that color more on the outside right here. Then blending it to meet with all the other colors. Now we're going to dip into the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia, and we're going to dip into the shade right here called Glistening, which is going to be our main lid shade. To help brighten everything, turning it into this daytime look. I'm using it on the dry brush This is just the brush that came inside the palette. Berry gold champagne color. Mixing it in over here with the dark color that we laid down from the Fuego palette. And I'm gonna go back in with that same brush, just like I said, just blend everything together. Get a nice little seamless look. And I'm gonna take on a BH Cosmetics. This is just a flat liner brush. And I'm gonna dip into Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette. And I'm gonna take this shade and I'm gonna press it right along my lashes. It's just gonna help deepen it, giving that really nice smoked effect. Giving you nice little sultry eyes. So now that it's laid down, I'm gonna kind of flick upwards to give it that smoked out effect. Now we're gonna take from Pixie. This is the Endless Silky Eye Pen. And we're gonna drag this along the top lid under our lashes. This is gonna help us make it look like we have more lashes and help hide that lash band when we put our lashes on. And you see, I don't know if you could see all the fallout from the eyeshadows. So that once we wipe away that setting powder, all of that's gonna come off with it, which I'm gonna do right now. Now to finish up the bottom lashes with our waterline, we are gonna take from Urban Decay, this is the 24/7 Glide Pencil. And this one is in the shade Bourbon, which is like a glittery brown color, which is gonna be perfect for adding some darkness down there, but not too dark, because black is gonna make it just look way smoked out. Something that would be more for a nighttime look. I'm gonna dip into that medium tone shade from the Fuego palette that we dipped into. I'm gonna go right along that down there, and I'm gonna kind of flick it upwards to meet so that we're getting this smoked out eyeshadow. Just like that. And I'm gonna take it on the same little blending brush like this. This is really smoking out the eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna take that angled brush from BH, dipping into the Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette again. And that one is just gonna be pressed right along the lower lash line. And I'm gonna take from that first shade that we put in our brow bone. I'm gonna take that and I'm just gonna put it on the inner corner of my eye, making it look more bright, more open, and like I said, keeping it more daytime. Going with the NARS Climax mascara.
Sounds dry.
So I'm gonna put my lashes on and then we're gonna come back and finish the look together. Alright, lashes on, so let's finish this up. So for our lips, we're gonna go in with Pure Cosmetics. This is their 4-in-1 lip duo, and this one is in the shade Duet. So I will be applying the liquid lipstick and the gloss on top. And let's set our look with some setting spray. And I'm going to take from Milani Cosmetics. This is the Make It Last setting spray. Pressing it into the skin. Alright you guys, there you have it. Hopefully you liked this tutorial on how to get a warm daytime smoky look. And if you want to see how to get a nighttime smoky look, then leave a comment down below. If you're not already, please be sure to follow me on Instagram. And don't forget to hit subscribe and that little notification bell so that way you know whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.